Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With crypto security being more important than ever, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Tangem is a smart move. This step-by-step guide is straightforward and quick, so let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a verified Coinbase account with some XRP in it, and that your Tangem wallet is set up and connected to your device. Always prioritize security. Double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and locate your XRP balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Step 2. Click on your XRP asset to open its details page. Here, you'll find the Send or Withdraw button. Go ahead and select that. Step 3. You'll need the wallet address from your Tangem wallet. Open your Tangem app, generate or select the XRP address, and copy it carefully. Paste this address into the Recipient field on Coinbase. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees, which are typically low for XRP on the XRP Ledger network. Make sure to select the correct network if prompted. Step 5. Review all the details, amount, address, and fees, then hit Confirm. Coinbase will process the transaction, and you might receive a confirmation email. Step 6. Switch over to your Tangem wallet app and refresh it. Your XRP should appear shortly, depending on network confirmation times. That's it. You've successfully transferred your XRP. Remember, in 2025, crypto platforms might have updates, so stay informed. If you run into any issues, check Coinbase support or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.